Today I'm going to show you how to do a proper casting of my green power. I'm going to show you how to do a proper casting. Open this one here, and then always check the height, and then if you're going to point your spot, and then just go straight, just go it nicely, and it's very fast. Okay. Yeah, just straight. How far? Yeah, that's it only. So it's easy. So just go breathe again. For time, open the base. There you are. Open it. Always check behind if there's someone in there. And then just push it straight. Take your body. Throw it. Straight. 1 point.